Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Notion database to the Notion calendar step by step. Don't worry if you are new to Notion or Notion calendar. I'll explain everything in simple language so anyone can follow. Let's get started. What is Notion calendar? First, let me explain what Notion calendar is. Notion Calendar is a separate app by Notion that lets you 1. View your tasks and events in a calendar format, 2. Connect your Notion databases, 3. Sync tasks with dates automatically. To add a database, your database must have a date property. Step 1. Open your Notion database. First, open Notion on your computer or mobile device. Go to the database you want to add to the calendar. This can be a task list, content planner, or project tracker. Make sure your database has a date column. If not, click Add Property, choose Date, and give it a name. This step is very important. Step 2. Open Notion Calendar. Now open the Notion Calendar app. If you don't have it, first download Notion Calendar from the App Store or Play Store, or open it from your browser. Log in using the same Notion account. Step 3. Connect your Notion workspace. Once inside Notion Calendar, click on Settings or Calendar Settings. Look for Notion or Notion Workspace. If asked, allow permission to connect your Notion account. This lets the calendar access your databases. Step 4. Add the database to Calendar. Now go back to the main calendar screen. Click on Add Calendar or Add Source. Choose Notion Database. You'll see a list of your databases. Select the database you want to add. Now choose the date property that should appear on the calendar. Confirm your selection. Step 5. View database in calendar. Once added, your items will appear as events or tasks on the calendar. Each item will show title, date, and color based on the database. If you click on an item, it opens directly in Notion. Step 6. Manage and customize. You can 1. Turn databases on or off, 2. Change colors, 3. Filter what appears on the calendar. This helps you stay organized and focused. Important tips for beginners. Only items with a date will appear. Changes in Notion update the calendar automatically, and you can add multiple databases to the calendar. So this is how you can add a Notion database to Notion Calendar in 2026 step by step. It's simple, powerful, and perfect for planning your work. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.